This is so exciting. You just received your Micro Air Easy Start for your RV air conditioner because you're so tired of lugging around bigger generators to start your air conditioner. Now you can use a smaller portable generator. Okay, what you want to start with is you're going to have a plastic shroud on here that you want to pull off and remove that. That gives you access to everything that you need. I want to identify a few things here. Usually to access your run capacitor, it's behind a metal enclosure. So right here behind this metal box is, if we pull this off, this is our run capacitor, and this is where all the wiring is located, okay? Next, right here is your compressor, and you can tell it's a compressor by the copper tubes that come off of it. This is important because there's 3 wires that come off of this that you're gonna focus on, okay? Now, when you pull your metal enclosure off, usually there's a wiring diagram, sometimes on the inside of the box or sometimes on the outside, okay? And once you locate that wiring diagram, you want to find the compressor on it, and it's gonna be labeled with 3 letters, R, C, and S. And what we wanna do is we like to start with the S wire, and 9 times out of 10, it could be different on yours, the S wire is a red wire. So if we go over to the compressor here, and we locate here, you can see there's 3 wires right here, a red, a white, and a blue. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow this red wire that comes off the top of the compressor and follow to where it goes. And we know as we follow it that it goes to right here on the run capacitor on the HERM terminal, okay? So what you're gonna do is take your EasyStart. Now, the great thing about when you order these from Hutch Mountain is they come with everything that you need to install it. Comes with the connectors, the install kit, everything that you need. So once you locate the S wire from the compressor that lands on the HERM terminal of the run capacitor, you're gonna take the orange wire from the EasyStart and you're gonna plug that right on the terminal next to the red wire, okay? And just give it a low tug, make sure you got a solid connection there. Once that's done, next, you're gonna go back to your wiring diagram and you're gonna go to the R wire. We like to go to the R wire next, the run wire. And on here, it's a white wire. Could be different color on yours, but it's a white wire in this one. So we're gonna go back to the compressor to where the 3 wires come off the top. And we can see here, the white wire here. Now, this is the most important part. You wanna make sure you identify the correct wire here. And what we like to do is the dental floss method. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the white wire from the compressor and I'm gonna pull back and forth over here. And as you can see when I pull on it, this white wire moves. So I'm gonna grab that and pull it back and forth as like dental floss. And now I know for sure that is the correct white wire. So you wanna make sure that you identify the right wire and cut the right wire. Because if you cut the wrong wire, boom! You're gone, toast. So cut the white wire in half like that. Now you're gonna strip back both ends of that white wire. So go ahead and strip it back like that. And strip this one back like that. Okay, you got those 2 ends stripped back. Go ahead and give those wires a twist. Get those threads nice and tight there. Okay. So, like I said, when you order from Hutch Mountain, you get the install kit with it. And this is so great because these come with these awesome Wago connectors. And I'm gonna show you how these work. So let's go ahead and pull these out of here. Okay, these Wago connectors are so awesome. So what you do is they've got orange tabs on them. And how these work is you just go ahead and lift that orange tab all the way up till it's pointing straight up in the air. That's how you know it's open. So what you're gonna do is take that orange Wago and you're gonna slide it onto that wire you just stripped back and then just clamp it down. And now it's tight, it's solid. Give it a little tug, make sure you're good. Okay, we'll go ahead and put this one on the other end of the white wire here. Go ahead and clamp that down. Now that you've got that wire cut, you're gonna go back to the EasyStart, and the one end of the wire, the R wire that you cut that goes back to the compressor, that's gonna go to the brown wire on the EasyStart. So we're gonna go ahead and take the brown wire from the EasyStart. Again, lift up your orange tab so it's open. Slide that wire all the way back and give it a close, okay? The best thing to know on this is that you have a good connection is if you flip this Wago around, you can see that there's wire pushed through all the way back, and it's on both sides of this metal bus bar here. You can see wire on both sides, okay? Now, the other end of the white wire that you cut that's connected to the run capacitor, you're gonna connect it to the white wire on the EasyStart. Now, your EasyStart is gonna have a spade terminal on it, most likely. If it does, no worries, just go ahead and cut that off. Go ahead and lob that off, and let's strip that wire back. Okay, and give those wires a twist, get them nice and tight. And like I said, the white wire or the R wire that you cut from the compressor that's on the run capacitor, go ahead and connect that to the white wire on the EasyStart. And now you're connected there, okay? Awesome, you are almost done. You have one wire left. So now we're gonna go back to your wiring diagram, and the C wire on the compressor, on this one, it's a blue wire, could be a different color on yours, but we're gonna go back to the compressor here. We're gonna locate the 3 wires again, and here is the blue wire that we're gonna connect to. Now, on this air conditioner, it's a little bit different. On yours, it could be a different setup, but what you're gonna do on this one, pull this foam off, okay? And as you can see, this black wire, we're gonna connect it to this blue wire. It's too far, we can't make the connection. But on these Breezes, what you could do is take this black wire out here of this loom, like so. We got it. Whew. Okay, we got the black wire out. So what you want to do is on this black wire, you want to run it under, back through here. Let's see. What you're trying to do is get it back over on the other side of the fan motor here. And to do that, takes a little bit of okay, whew, I got it. Okay. So there's the black wire from the EasyStart. Now what we can do is identify the correct blue wire here. And as we can see, it's right here. So I'm gonna actually cut this zip tie that's holding all these together. Okay. Now we'll take that blue wire, and we are going to cut that wire in half. Again, make sure you cut the right wire. Cut it. Let's go ahead and strip it back. Just like that. Again, give those threads a twist. Make sure they're solid. Now, within the install kit that you got from Hutch Mountain, there is a triple Wago in here, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna open these tabs up on this. We're gonna slide those 2 ends of the wire that you cut into here, into the Wago. And then the black wire that you ran across is gonna go into the Wago as well to make that connection.
Is there a particular order they need to be in?
No order. So when you put these wires in, it doesn't matter which orientation you put them in, it all works the same. So okay, you're connected. Your EasyStart is now connected, and you are ready to now mount it wherever you think is best. We have some people that mount it to the casing that the run capacitor is in, or you can mount it to a flat surface, whatever's best for you. So if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us here at Hutch Mountain. We love you and we want to take care of you.